National Weather Service Cleveland has issued a flood warning for Trumbull County until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Runoff from the thunderstorms on Monday evening continues to produce flooding of low-lying areas. Local law enforcement agents reported flooding was occurring around Southington and in low-lying areas between Southington and Farmington. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Most flooding deaths occur in automobiles. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Trumbull, Ohio. Ohio.